Is there a neuromarketing of modern trend?
So, neuromarketing is a modern trend. No, no, no. Neuromarketing has, I think it has been there since civilization is there. It is that old. Earlier, why kings have big temples? The reason was, because it will show power, it will show authenticity, it will show the command. So, neuromarketing hits from there. Uh, and then why a lot of jewelry was wore, so it has always been, because human mind has always worked that same way. Right now there are a lot of distractions and a lot of extra hormones that are being, integrated in the system. Of course there are a lot of impushment of those hormones, but the neuro naturally how this worked was always same. So coca-cola, it like long, very long back, it used something like share a coke. It has been so long. In fact, I can also like post I'll be sharing some links of very old black and white, videos which actually showed that neuromarketing was is almost like, we don't know how old it is, but it is just that right now Apple has been using it. If you remember Bajaj, Hamara Bajaj, that line Hamara Bajaj, that is something, Dairy Milk. I think these ads everyone remembers, Har Ghar Kuch Kehta Hai. So this is all neuromarketing, and we still remember. I think of our generation, we still remember everything. We remember the whole ads. So it is a very old concept, and I mean, it goes together without saying. It is just that a lot of data has not been, used in that way. Right now it has been it is now integrated with a lot of, data analytics and a lot of AI. So that is how things have changed.